Hey friends, if you wish to fix Unarc.dll returned an error code 11 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what we have to do. First of all, search for Microsoft C++ distributable. Okay, now we'll go to this website here and then we will scroll down. We'll get the x64-bit version. Click on this one. Click on open. Okay, now wait. It will open in launcher. Now either it will give an option to repair or install it. If it gives an option to repair, then repair it. It will reload the DLL files. If not, you can install it to load the DLL files. This should fix the problem. But if it does not, then you can perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.